Hi there everyone, my name is Scott Nicholson, and I'm a professor of game design and development at Wilfrid Laurier University. I've been on sabbatical the last year working with the M-Education Alliance on a new kind of game, and this website will help you explore it. Now the game system I've created is called EscapeIF. IF stands for interactive fiction because it's inspired by taking interactive fiction and storytelling concepts and using them to help teachers deliver escape room type experiences in the classroom. Now there's three things this system is doing differently than other modern games that are out there. The first is that it's designed to be a low resource game, meaning you don't need a computer, you don't need boards and cards, you don't need any equipment. It's designed to just use the classroom blackboard, the teacher, the students, and it may use found objects, like you may need to go and find some rocks and hide them in the classroom, and the rocks will represent something in the game. Now, if you have resources, you could use those resources and add those into the game, but the game scripts don't require the teachers to have even disposable paper because we're trying to make this as accessible as possible. Along those lines, the second part that's interesting is that it is a storytelling game, meaning all the teacher needs is a script, and they're going to read a script to the players. The script is a series of numbered paragraphs. It shows the teacher what to read, and then the teacher offers choices to the students, and the students vote as to which choice they'd like. Based upon the student's choice, they go to a different paragraph in the document. There's also times where there are challenges where the students work on some kind of a problem that's related to course content. So students work in small groups, they come up with solutions to the problems, they report their solutions to the problems, and then it allows you to go on with the story. Because it's all run by a script that the teacher has the ability to change it. That the teacher, if something is not working for the classroom, if something doesn't fit, if the teacher thinks the problems are too hard or too easy, the teacher can make those changes very easily, and that's something that you can't do with most games. You can't make those changes. So it's low resource, it's adaptable by the teacher. And then it's all in the Creative Commons. That's the other piece, is I'm putting it out there for you to download, to try in your classrooms, to make adjustments, to make new versions, to write your own games. And I've created guides to writing the games. So does that sound interesting? Well, on this site, what you're going to find are a few things. First, you're going to find a demo that I made using Twine to allow you to see what it's like to be a student playing an EscapeIF game. Now, this is a digital game because that's the only way I can create a demo for you. But understand, playing that's not how the game is intended to be run, but it will let you see what the game is like from the student's perspective and give you an idea. That's going to use my first script, Perimeter Problems, which is a game about finding perimeter. And you can also download this script and follow along, and you can see how the script works with what I'm doing in front of you and what you would do in the classroom. You're going to find some sample games listed here. You're also going to find a creation document, so a tool to help you make your own EscapeIF games. We're hopeful that you'll make your own games and you'll share those games out as well. And finally, there's another version of EscapeIF I've created that's more like a tabletop role-playing game experience. So the idea is that rather than saying, here's the situation, do you want choice A or B? You say, here's the situation, what do you want to do? And you call on someone in the class and you let them tell you what to do. Now, this is more advanced, but I've got a document here that will help you take any basic EscapeIF script and turn it into a more advanced game if that's something that's going to work in your classroom. Oh, and don't forget, just like you can make games, your students can make games. That's right, because EscapeIF doesn't require programming, and you're just writing a script, you're writing a document. It's something that any student could create. You can use the creation guides that I've got here to give to your students, so after you've run a game with them, now you can have them make a game around a topic in the classroom. So that's even more exciting. So to keep up with what's going on, head over to escapeif.com. That'll be the link that'll always take you to the home of the EscapeIF project. Hopefully you can enjoy it and you can unlock the power of escape games in your classroom. Take care, and I look forward to seeing what you can create.